Did you know the fast food business moves billions of dollars every year, and you can enter this market with one simple machine from home? Today I'm going to show you 10 profitable business ideas using fast food machines you can import from China at very low prices, so you can start your mini factory or your own small shop with very little investment. And even better, in the description of this video, you'll find the direct link to import these machines safely, without middlemen, and with reliable suppliers, so you can start your business right away. The fast food sector is one of the most powerful and stable in the world. According to Statista, the global fast food market surpassed $900 billion in 2023 and will keep growing thanks to the fast pace of life, lack of time, and people searching for practical and affordable products. In Latin America, fast food is part of the culture. Burgers, pizzas, empanadas, hot dogs, and desserts are sold on every corner. And what's most interesting is that these businesses have high turnover and margins that can exceed 150% because raw materials are cheap and demand never stops. With low-cost machines you can import directly from China, it's possible to transform basic ingredients into irresistible, highly profitable products. Machine number 1. Automatic hamburger patty making machine. Burgers are without a doubt the star product of fast food worldwide. And even though it may seem like you need a big industrial kitchen to produce them, the truth is that with an automatic hamburger machine you can start from a small shop or even from your own home. This equipment mixes and presses the meat, whether beef, chicken, pork, or even plant-based alternatives, and in seconds turns it into uniform patties ready to fry or grill. That means every unit will have the same weight, size, and presentation, which builds trust with both retail customers and wholesale buyers. The price of these machines ranges from $1,000 to $2,000 and their production capacity can reach 1,500 to 3,000 patties per day, depending on the model. With such high demand, you can supply your own restaurant, sell to food trucks, supply schools, or even land contracts with local supermarkets to distribute ready-to-cook burgers. Machine number 2, hot dog machine. If there's a fast food classic that never goes out of style, it's hot dogs. A hot dog machine is compact, affordable, and very easy to use. It lets you steam cook sausages, keep them warm, and heat buns evenly. Some models even include rotating rollers that ensure the sausages brown uniformly. With an initial investment of only $150 to $400, you can serve sports events, local fairs, parks, parties, and even set up a small cart in your neighborhood. The best part is that hot dogs have a very low production cost, since the main ingredients, bun, sausage, and sauces, are cheap and easy to get. Yet the final product can be sold with very attractive profit margins. With a machine like this, you can prepare dozens of hot dogs per hour, guaranteeing a steady stream of income. Machine number 3, popcorn machine. Popcorn is another business that never fails because it appeals to everyone: kids, teenagers, families, and adults. With a popcorn machine, which you can import from China for $200 to $500, you can produce large volumes of popcorn in minutes. These machines are ideal for local cinemas, parks, schools, food festivals, and even delivery in eye-catching packaging. What's most interesting is the margin. With just a few grams of corn and a bit of butter or sugar, you can sell a serving at a price that multiplies your cost by 3 or 4 times. We're talking margins above 200%, which makes popcorn one of the most profitable products in the quick snack category. Machine number 4, cotton candy machine. Cotton candy is simple, but incredibly eye-catching and profitable. With a cotton candy machine, which you can buy for as little as $120 to $300, you can create colorful, fluffy cotton candy in seconds at a very low production cost. 1 kilogram of sugar can produce up to 20 cotton candies, and each one can be sold at a price up to 10 times the cost of the raw material. It's perfect for fairs, parks, kids' parties, and events because people don't buy cotton candy just because they're hungry. They buy it for fun and nostalgia. It grabs attention, triggers impulse buys, and can help you recover your investment very quickly. Machine number 5, express pizza machine. Pizza is one of the most consumed foods in the world, and demand keeps growing. Today, with an express pizza machine, you can prepare and bake pizzas in minutes without a traditional oven or a big setup. These machines work like automated stations that stretch the dough, apply sauce, cheese, and toppings, and within minutes you have a pizza ready to serve. Prices range from $2,500 to $6,000, depending on capacity and features. They're ideal for small shops, self-service stations in malls, universities, transit hubs, or even emerging franchise concepts. The margin is very attractive. A pizza that costs $1 to $2 in ingredients can easily sell for $7 to $10, generating high profitability. With the right machine, you can produce dozens of pizzas per hour and meet massive demand for a product that never goes out of style. Machine number 6, soft serve ice cream machine. Ice cream never goes out of style. It's joy and freshness, and during hot seasons it becomes a high demand product. With a soft serve ice cream machine, you can serve creamy ice cream in cones or cups in seconds. The process is simple. You pour the liquid mix into the machine's tank. It freezes automatically, and you serve it using a lever that creates that classic spiral everyone loves. These machines cost around $900 to $1,500, and the raw material is very cheap. 1 liter of base mix can yield several servings that you then sell for 5 to 6 times the cost. That makes ice cream one of the most profitable fast food products. With a machine like this, you can start in a small shop, at the entrance of a supermarket, or even in a food truck, and every cone sold produces strong margins. Machine number 7, waffle and crepe machine. The world of quick desserts is booming, and few things attract attention like a fluffy waffle or a freshly filled crepe. With a waffle and crepe machine you can import from China for $200 to $500. You can make sweet products with chocolate, fruit, or ice cream, and also savory versions for quick breakfasts or dinners. These machines are compact and easy to use, which makes them perfect for cafes, bakeries, street stands, or food trucks. Profit margins are high too. A waffle that costs under $1 in ingredients can sell for $4 to $6, depending on size and toppings. Plus, it's highly social media friendly. Customers buy not only the taste, but also the experience and presentation. Machine number 8, churro machine with automatic filling injector. Filled churros are a classic that always gets attention. With a churro machine that includes an automatic injector, you can mass produce uniform churros and fill them with dulce de leche, chocolate, or pastry cream in seconds. These machines typically cost $500 to $1,200, and they can produce hundreds of units per day, boosting sales at fairs, schools, or malls. The most interesting part, churros have a low cost in flour, sugar, and oil, but a selling price up to 8 times the production cost. With this machine, you can run a cart in a busy area or a small quick dessert shop and recover your investment quickly. Machine number 9, empanada and arepa machine. In Latin America, traditional food has a guaranteed place in people's hearts and stomachs. Empanadas and arepas sell in every neighborhood, corner, and food fair. With an automatic empanada arepa machine priced around $1,000 to $3,000, you can produce hundreds of units per hour with the advantage that every piece comes out the same size and weight, guaranteeing consistency and quality. Imagine selling fresh empanadas on the street, or supplying restaurants and neighborhood stores with your own brand. This business is profitable not only because ingredients are cheap, but because it matches a daily habit. People buy empanadas and arepas every day, no matter the season. Machine number 10, automatic smoothie and juice machine. The healthy eating trend is here to stay, and smoothies and natural juices have become the favorite snack for people who train, study, or work and want fast energy. With an automatic smoothie and juice machine costing $400 to $800, you can prepare fresh drinks in seconds with fruit and veggie combinations chosen by the customer. These machines are ideal for gyms, schools, universities, and offices because they offer convenience, speed, and healthier options. With low-cost fruits and vegetables, you can sell each drink with a margin that exceeds 150%. And since it's a trend product, you can stand out with innovative recipes like detox juices, protein smoothies, or energy-boosting blends. Now that you know the machines and how they work, here's the exciting part. How do you turn all of this into real money? Because a machine by itself is just steel and screws, but in the hands of an entrepreneur with vision, it becomes a factory of opportunities. The magic of fast food is that we're not talking about something people buy once in a while. We're talking about something they consume every day. That's why the business models you'll see next aren't theories. They're proven paths thousands of entrepreneurs worldwide use to generate steady income and grow month after month. With these 10 machines, you can choose different approaches, from a street cart that gives you daily cash flow to a mini factory producing for third parties or selling wholesale. The key is to start with the model that fits your initial budget and then scale. Food trucks or street stands. If you want to start with low investment and immediate results, A food truck or street cart is the best option. With a $150 to $400 hot dog machine or a $500 to $1,200 churro machine, you can position yourself at parks, fairs, or soccer games and serve dozens of customers per hour. These are high turnover businesses because people always want quick, affordable food on the go. Margins can exceed 100% because ingredient costs are minimal and demand is constant. Small shops or mall locations. If you have a bit more capital, you can open a fixed location in a mall, near a university, or in a busy neighborhood. Top machines here are soft serve, $900 to $1,500 US, waffles, crepes, $200 to $500 US, or express pizza, $2,500 to $6,000 US. These products work because they combine speed, taste, and live show. Customers enjoy not only the food, but also watching it being made instantly. In high traffic areas, daily sales jump and you recover your investment faster. Selling wholesale to other businesses. If you don't want to stand behind a counter, you can focus on bulk production. With an automatic burger machine, $1,000 to $2,000 US, or an empanada arepa machine, $1,000 to $3,000 US, you can produce hundreds or thousands of units per day and sell directly to restaurants, neighborhood stores, schools, or even supermarkets. This model is powerful because you lock in recurring contracts, weekly supply clients. Instead of relying on retail sales, you work with volume and stabilize income. Events and fairs. Cotton candy, $120 to $300 US, and popcorn, $200 to $500 US, are perfect for the events business. Birthdays, corporate fairs, town festivals, concerts. Everyone needs fun snacks that attract kids, teens, and families. And production costs are extremely low. A few grams of sugar or corn turns into sales with margins above 200%. This model is ideal for weekend extra income because investment is low and payback is almost immediate. Delivery and digital platforms. Delivery has completely changed fast food selling. Today you can build your own burger, empanada, or juice brand without a physical storefront. With a basic at-home kit, burger patty maker, a fryer, and an automatic juice machine, $400 to $800 US, you can fulfill orders and sell through apps like Rappi, Uber Eats, or directly via WhatsApp. This model is ideal for digital entrepreneurs who want to leverage social media and online sales without heavy rent or staff costs. The best part is, you don't need to start big to dream big. With just one machine you can start, validate demand, and grow step by step. Imagine starting with a $200 popcorn machine on the corner of your neighborhood. Every bag sold helps you recover your investment and build daily cash flow. Once you have customers and demand grows, you can diversify by adding a filled churro machine or a soft serve machine, bringing more products and attracting different customer types. That's how a small cart becomes a varied business serving kids, teens, and entire families. If you decide to level up, the next step is investing in higher capacity, higher profit equipment, like an express pizza machine, $2,500 to $6,000 US, that lets you sell dozens of pizzas a day, or an automatic burger machine, $1,000 to $2,000 US, that produces thousands of units for restaurants, schools, or supermarkets. That's when you move from retail selling to becoming a wholesale supplier, multiplying income and gaining stability. In a few years, what started as a street cart can turn into a mini fast food chain with multiple points across your city, or even a franchise other entrepreneurs want to copy. It's not an impossible dream. Thousands of big brands started exactly like this, with one stand and one machine. The key is understanding that every machine you add isn't an expense, it's a new revenue line. A churro machine opens doors to fairs and schools, an ice cream machine guarantees summer sales, a burger patty machine turns you into a wholesale supplier. Together, they form an ecosystem that generates income year-round. In the description of this video, you'll find the direct link to import these machines from China safely, at very low prices, and with trustworthy suppliers. That can be your first step toward a fast food chain that grows with you. You just saw 10 machines that can change your life and open the door to a profitable business in the fast food sector. Best of all, every one of them can be imported from China at low prices with safe suppliers. In the description of this video, I'm leaving the direct link so you can import your machine reliably and without middlemen. Subscribe to Mentalidad Rentable because every week I share new profitable business ideas so you can turn a machine into your mini factory and a dream into reality.